Thank you for being here, and thank you to PS Bank. No? PS Bank, thank you for, this is like a welcome back for us. No? Kaya dito ako sa podium, no? Para may branding naman yung PS Bank. So, PS Bank has been our partner for decades, no? And we're so grateful to be back. No? Medyo malayo lang from the usual Quezon City, Jeff, sorry na. So, but I'd like to welcome, of course, our ambassadors here, Jasmine, Janina. No? Ang galing-galing, ang ganda-ganda ng ating host ngayon, si Jasmine din. No? Parang puro J, no? Ako po si June. And thank you for coming, kung saan mo kayo galing, no? May mga taga-Cavite pa na nandito. For joining us, no, year on year, we're doing this. It just says something about how important education is for us, no? And how important that we're able to give and to give back to communities. And last Saturday, I was able to join the group that distributed some kids to kids in Baseco. So Jasmine was there, PS Bank was there, no? Yung mga empleyado ng PS Bank. Team World Vision yata yun, no? So, and we were so glad to see the excitement sa faces ng mga bata, no? To be together and at the same time to receive something. And kanina, nung we were saying na whenever it's back to school, no? Whenever you're going, hindi lahat masaya. Diba? Some people, no? Like, for some time, nung na-trauma ako sa mathematics dati, parang babalik na naman ako sa math, no? And before, there were like teachers na nambabato or di ba, medyo maraming mga bully. At least itong gesture natin of supporting, encouraging children, no? When you grow up, di ba, minsan pag gagamit ka ng bag, okay na to, no? Yung bag ko ngayon, pwedeng bag ko pa rin, no? When you're older, di ba, hindi ka madalas magpalit. Pero for kids, I think it's something na nakaka-relate tayo when it's going back to school. Kasi we all went to school one way or another, and that has helped create and develop who we are now. No? Of course, bukod pa dun sa relationships, bukod sa mga taong nag-mentor sa atin, education plays a vital role in developing the nation. No? Education is a right, and it provides opportunities for people to escape poverty. And sa Pilipinas, kitang-kita natin yun. We need to create different opportunities for people so they can become a better version of themselves. And we start them young. Education creates equality for people, no? Regardless of gender, regardless of race, regardless of ethnicity and religious background. It's an equalizer for most of us, for all of us, no, in that case, and it provides opportunities for sustainable progress. So, World Vision po, whenever we go to a community, we don't stay there forever. No? We stay there enough time for several families may makagraduate sa at least K-12 sa mga pamilya nila. And that already makes a difference in the lives of Filipino families. And kapag nag-aabot ka ng bag sa mga bata, no, kita mo agad yung ngiti sa kanila kasi they're getting something that is really for them, that is meaningful for them. In the past months, I was able to meet some kids in Kidapawan, sa South, and in Bohol, no, Central Philippines. And we gave them parang cash vouchers para sila mismo yung bibili. No? So this is not back to school, pero sa World Vision po, when you're a sponsor, you're able to give gifts so that the kids can buy something for themselves. No? In the past, no, parang we allow, no, bibigay ka ng item mismo para hindi nila bibili. Pero empowering pala for children to be given cash, and sila mismo, pupunta sila doon sa mall or sa grocery, and pipili sila nung pwede na lang bilhin. No? And we were looking at that experience, tinignan anong binibili nila. No? So depende sa age, they were buying socks. No? They were buying shoes. No? Of course, hindi naman sila naka-Ferragamo, kaya mga Colhan, no? I mean, may mga murang shoes, and they were buying it because they were excited to go back to school. No? no? And we ask them, syempre may mga bumibili na ng face powder, ganyan, no? Tapos kita mo nagdadalaga na yung mga bata. Pero laging meron silang binibili for school. Some of them were buying notebooks, some of them were buying shirts na pwede nilang gamitin panloob, no? Pag bumalik sila sa school. And I'm sure you can remember the times, no, when you were going back to school. Yung amoy ng plastic cover, you can still remember that, no? Yung amoy ng plastic envelope, and you know, the schools would always give a long list of what kids would need. Hindi naman lahat nagagamit, di ba? And ano rin, no, business din, no? For yung minsan may tatak pa talaga ng eskwelahan. No, magnetic pencil case with built-in sharpener. You remember that, no? Yung umiilaw na lunchbox na may kasamang refrigerator, no? Parang gano'n, no? So all these things are very nostalgic for us, very memorable. For the kids that we help, a lot of them, they can't afford those. No? Yung mga, natandaan nyo ba, bumili ba kayo ng sapatos na may gulong sa ilalim? No? Medyo mga Gen Z na yata yan, ano? I would remember, I grew up in Novaliches. I would travel to Balombato and ride to Avenida so that I can go to Maximo Hizon Elementary School. Hindi ko alam kung bakit doon ako pinag-aaral ng nanay ko, tapos nandun kami sa Novaliches nakatira. No? Piso lang po yung baon ko before. You remember the big piso? Jen, alam mo yun. No? And 1 peso would buy you a champurrado and the juice drink. No? Nung time na yun, 50 pesos lang yata, pwede ka na mag-date. No? No? Pwede ka ng 50 to 100 pesos, pwede ng date yun dati. So, the kids that we support, they come from families na 4th and 5th class municipalities, except for the ones in Metro Manila, no? Sa Metro Manila po, nasa Quezon City tayo, nasa Malabon, nasa Baseco. Pero ang common sa mga families na to, may financial needs sila. And we want to ease the burden dun sa mga parents. No? Plus, you know, give a nudge ng excitement. Some of the parents that we support, hindi sila nakapagtapos sa pag-aaral. No? And we want to break the cycle. Kasi once na hindi ka nakapagtapos, no, chances are yung mga opportunities mas maliit, no, mas makitid. And so we want to make sure na we're opening those opportunities for the kids. Ito po, One Bag, One Dream, no? Ito yung pangalan ng campaign natin. And hindi lang basta lalagyan ng gamit yung bags, no? This is an encouragement for children so that they can go closer, they can reach, it's one step closer to reaching their dreams. So, maraming salamat po for being here kasi you're helping amplify our invitation to the public to support the Back to School campaign. No? Majority of the ones who support our sponsors, pero kahit hindi ka sponsor, you can support the Back to School campaign. No? Bukod po sa Back to School, we have other education programs. And we're gonna launch it, no? Invite din namin kayo ulit doon sa Brigada Pagbasa. No? It's one of our biggest campaigns that we partnered with DepEd. And ang goal niya is to improve children's literacy. Kasi sadly, kahit na umabot na sila ng 12 years old, mayroong non-readers, no? In public schools. Lahat po ng bata tinutulungan natin nasa public schools. And when we launched Brigada Pagbasa in 2019, kahit po nag-pandemic, nagtuloy-tuloy yung Brigada Pagbasa, nag-virtual, nag-online, 85% po of our trained children achieve the expected reading comprehension level. Siguro nabalitaan niyo yung PISA, yung result na yung Philippines nasa nangungulelats tayo ulit. Pagdating sa dati English, math, ngayon creative thinking. So we're trying to address that. And isa po ito sa mga ambag natin sa lipunan. Over 32,000 children receive reading remediation support. We've signed up and trained over 10,000 volunteers. And we reach many last-mile learners with support from different partners. So we're expanding it. No? Actually, launch natin sa July 31. Kung tama yung PETSA ko, no? Tama yung July 31 ko yun. And sigurado po kami na mas marami pa tayong tatahaking pagsubok na pagdating po sa education sector. So we need all the help we can get. We're trying to augment and supplement kung ano yung meron ng ating gobyerno. And we put our faith in the Lord, no, that our children will achieve our dreams and realize their full potential. Nung sumili po ako kanina dito sa bintana ng PS Bank, no, I was telling kanina, mga friends natin from PS Bank, no, na parang parang ang ganda ng Pilipinas dito sa level na to. 19th floor, no, green na green, no, pagdating dito. So, sana ganito rin yung, sana marami pang ganyan sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pero ang hope din po namin is that we will also have a different vision for the Filipino children. That when we look out there, yung perspective natin, it's filled with hope, it's filled with promise of transformed lives and transformed institutions. No? So yun po yung panalangin namin. And I hope na kakampi namin kayo in doing that. No? Helping children, one child at a time, one family at a time. So maraming salamat po. No? I've said a lot. Happy back to school. No? And maraming salamat po for your support.